dreamers, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to update you guys on my life and show you everything that I've been using. I'm just gonna start with this cotton square, and then I'm going to take my Clarins toner. This is the chamomile one. It's for dry skin, and all of Clarins products are alcohol free. Then I'm taking my moisturizer. This is also by Clarins. It's the Hydra Essential Moisturizer, and this one has SPF in it. I'm about to go out, so it is still daylight. Even though the sun's about to set in like an hour or so. You know, daylight savings. I hate that bish. I finally found a chapstick that I really like, and this is by the chapstick brand. It's called Total Hydration, and it is vanilla. Don't mind my hair. I'm going to be doing it in another video after this, so look out for that. I'm going to be comparing the Tangle Teaser, excuse my hair, with the Denman brush, and Denman brush is currently out of service. We'll fix that though. Okay, so one thing I have changed in my skincare routine, or like my makeup routine, is I started using brushes again. I have had these brushes for a while. So currently I'm gonna be using the MAC 170 brush. I feel like I have saved so much foundation from using a brush. Beauty blenders, y'all, beauty blenders soak all the makeup. And then on top of that, I feel like my face looks less cakey when I use a brush. While I'm blending this, let me update y'all on my life. So the last Get Ready With Me I did, I talked about how, I don't even remember, but I just know that I was considering moving and like looking at apartments. So I moved in here like either beginning of June or end of May, and right now it is November, so that's it's been almost 6 months, I guess. And let me tell y'all, best decision I have ever made. Some people aren't made to live alone. Some people are like, you know, gotta be around people all the time. But me, yo, I need my space, and I finally got my space, and I feel like a new human. Like, I just feel reborn. I feel like I'm finally in my element. So do I recommend moving out? Do I recommend living on your own? Hell yes. Like, do that shit tomorrow. Do it as fast as you can. I mean, not as fast as you can. I did the smart thing and I saved up before I moved out on my own, so I'm not like struggling to like survive and everything. I'm just gonna wipe off the foundation from my lips and then reapply. So in my last life update, y'all could probably tell how stuck I was. Like, I was just mentally stuck in life. I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. Now it's not like, okay, I got my life figured out, like I'm done and stuff. It's not like that. Because honestly, who's actually like 100% content with life and not striving to be better and not striving to like grow more and like achieve more in life? The way I'm set up, the way my mindset is I gotta keep pushing. I gotta keep like leveling up in life. Let me tell you, I got to a great point, but there's still more work to be done. It's so hard to like do a get ready with me and remember to tell you guys exactly what I'm doing and all that. Like, I ain't no beauty guru. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Okay. I'm just gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick and the shade Espresso. So I use it to contour, and I don't do this every day. Like, I'm just doing my makeup to like go out. It's my friend's birthday. We're gonna go bowling and eat. When I use this contour with a brush, it also comes out really natural and not as harsh as when I do it with a beauty blender. But don't worry, I'm still gonna use a beauty blender for my highlight. Okay, now I'm taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear concealer. I take the light shade, it's 1C and 2W light medium, to highlight under my eyes. Y'all hear that baby crying? Oh yeah, and on my chin. Yeah, so I just take the other one and just put a little bit of it. I don't want the highlight to be too like bright. And this is when I take the beauty blender to blend that in. If anything, I usually only hear like footsteps upstairs or like banging upstairs, but next door, this is very rude. I know my neighbors probably hate me because I tend to blast my music a lot, but it's not like I'm using a surround system or anything. I just use my Amazon Alexa to play my music, and I mean, she can be a little loud and my apartment is like kind of tiny, so I haven't gotten any complaints, and it's been 6 months, so I must be doing good. Okay, now that that's all blended, I'm just going to take this brush. I got this from Sephora. It says Sephora right here. It is the Sheer Complexion 11 degree brush. I don't know, but I love to use this one for my powder. And this is the Pretty Vulgar powder. It's called the Powder Room 147 Matte About It. I love this because it's almost the same shade as the concealer, so it's not like that translucent color that's like so white. So I just set under my eyes, and then in the creases of my nose, above my mouth, on my chin. And then, wow, I feel like I'm gonna like finish my makeup before I like catch you guys up on everything. This time, you guys, I did not take notes. I honestly did this video very spontaneously. It's almost time for me to go. How am I gonna do 2 videos? But today I posted a video I did in collaboration with InStyler. If you haven't checked that out, I will leave it linked up here. I just got a lot of errands done today. I cleaned up. I made some monkey bread today, and let me tell you, it looked bomb, but it was not good. I mean, it was good, but the consistency wasn't right. But okay, so some people were asking for an updated apartment tour. I will say I kind of regret getting that couch. You guys have seen it in like other videos, but that couch is like not comfortable. But it's just not your ideal couch that you want to just lounge in, and you get home and you just want to like lay on the couch. No, I get home and I have to like lay on my bed because my couch isn't that comfortable. So I really wish I got a sectional. Oh yeah, so I just used my butter bronzer, and it's a very subtle. I don't know if I updated you guys about Sophie, but like Sophie had to get her teeth extracted. Yeah, maybe just 2 months ago, where she actually did get her teeth extracted, and it wasn't even that bad. I feel like other surgeries she's had were so like horrible because the vets she goes to, I'm not gonna say their name or anything, but I feel like they use cheap stuff and they're not all like professionals. They sometimes don't know what the hell they're doing half the time. So every time she gets surgery there or just gets anything done there, she just has horrible reactions, and she just is out for like 2 weeks, like just not herself. But after she got surgery to remove her teeth, she was like fine within hours of her surgery. She would be like jumping around. I would have to like confine her to like not jump around. Oh yeah, I like to put some blush on my nose, looking like Rudolph. Now I'm gonna take my Ofra highlighter. This thing is beat up so much because I used the crap out of it. So this is the Ofra Nikki Tutorials Everglow highlighter, and it doesn't say what each shade is, but like my favorite shade is clearly the one that I finished, that golden one. But now that it's like almost out, I just mix it with the white one as well. And I put that ish everywhere. Like, I want you to see me from miles away. That's the goal. So guys, I still have the same job, and there's something that I have been doing that I haven't really told you guys about, and I'm still not gonna tell you exactly what it is, but I will tell you I went back to school for something. I don't want to tell you because honestly, like, the way me and school are set up, our relationship together, like, it's not a good relationship. Like, me and Tess, we don't work out. So if all goes well, I'll tell you guys what this thing is. And if not, like, I'll probably still tell you what it was, and I'll tell you like, yeah, that wasn't for me, you know, it wasn't for me, even though it's probably because I just like, probably didn't pass. But okay, so this palette, this is the Carly Bible palette, in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is honestly perfection. Like, I love Carly, she's amazing. Look at these freaking colors, they are just beautiful. My favorite colors to use are Chai. You know, if you know Carly, that's her cat's name. And then I love to highlight with Bali, this one. I like Cindy too. And then I like the Bible one, which is up here. Those are just like my safe colors to use on an everyday basis. So I start off with Chai. Let me tell you, I don't know what I'm doing half the time with my shadow, so I'm not even gonna bother explaining what I'm doing because I just put it on and hope for the best. So I'm gonna take Bible, put it on the outside corners. I kind of want to wear lashes today. I haven't worn falsies in so long. I'm gonna take this little brush to put some under my eyes, and I'm gonna put Chai under my eyes. Guys, this color is like amazing. It's like the perfect shade. Okay, now I'm going to put Cindy in the middle. I shall take a big fluffy brush and blend this all together. And take Bali to highlight under my brows. And then the inner corners. I'm gonna take some of the powder I used earlier just to kind of carve that out because it is all over the place. Oh my god, should I put eyeliner on? So I'm gonna go in with the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This thing is amazing. It honestly like makes you look like you have falsies on. Okay, do you guys see how amazing this mascara is? Like, don't gotta say nothing else. My Holy Grail brow product. This is from BH Cosmetics. It is the Flawless Brow Trio. I broke it. Oh, another thing. I was in Texas this past week and I was there visiting my nephew, and that's where I freaking broke this. So there used to be another shade right there. But yeah, I went to go visit my nephew and he's just precious. I tried to get him to say my name, but you know, all he wanted to say was Mama and Baba. Oh my god, I literally want to like kidnap him. So on my eyebrows, all I do is fill in the arches, and then whatever's left, I just bring it down to the tail and lightly stroke the front hairs. And I just take my spoolie and blend that all in. Oh yeah, you guys, we just hit 12K subscribers. If you're watching this right now, please comment below where you're from, how old you are, how you discovered me. Like, that would be really cool if you guys could tell me how you found my channel. Like, what was the first video you found? Where did you see my channel? Was it just browsing on YouTube? Did somebody post it on their page? I would love to know that. Cause your girl, we trying to get to 20K by the end of the year, right? Dream big. Okay, fine, 15K. I think that's manageable. Okay, and then for my lips, I'm still using my Sephora number 13 like religiously every day, but for this look I want to try out a more brown nude color. This is Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D. Sephora's formula is just so amazing to me. I think it's like not drying at all and keeps my lips moisturized. But I'm also gonna go in with NYX lip liner. It's called Nude Truffle. The art of overlining. I really like the color of just the lip liner. Okay, let's see how different this looks. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm digging it. I don't know how I feel about my eyeshadow. What do you guys think? I don't usually do all this, but today's a special occasion for my friend's birthday, so maybe if I add a little bit of the number 13 in the middle. Guys, something's missing. What did I forget? Maybe I should put lashes on. Should I? I hate wearing lashes, but they look so bomb. Wait, let me take a minute. Okay guys, I'm gonna attempt to put some lashes on. These are one of my favorites. These are the Wispies by Ardell. Let me just pop them on to see how it's gonna look. This is the right one. Oh, and I do this so that I can measure them to see if like I'm gonna need to cut them. Usually these are like the perfect size, but look at that. Look at the difference it makes. Should I do this in private? I'm gonna do this one off camera. Okay guys, here is the final look. I feel like I'm going to a wedding now. Like, I don't do my makeup like this anymore. So, I mean, I think it looks good. It might be a little dramatic and whatever, but hey, it looks like fall kinda. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This hair right now is like not styled at all, so don't mind that. I'm gonna be filming another video right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I will see you guys in my next video.